Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick video on showing you how to install custom indicators. Um, Hopefully everybody buying this course is a trader and you are able to know how to do that. But I told somebody I was going to do it anyway and put it in the course. So here it is. I'm going to share my screen. I already have the indicator downloaded into my desktop. So you're gonna get your indicator, and then you're gonna download it to your computer and then drag it into your desktop. Okay, that is what I want you to have it sitting at. I'm actually gonna show you my desktop, I think. Let me see what's on here. All right, so, oh, you can see my desktop. No, you can't. All right, this is my desktop. This is where I have some indicator, well, the indicator that we want, the custom indicator, I have it right here. I opened it and then you can even copy it to your desktop. So this is the one, the trend focus, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your MT4 on your desktop, obviously, and then you're gonna go to File, Open Data Folder. You're going to go to MQL4, double click on that. You're going to open indicators. And then what you're going to do is drag the indicator that you want. You can close your MT4. You can drag the indicator inside anywhere in here and drop it. Right? You're going to see it right here. And then you're going to close that. And then you're going to go back and reopen your broker's MT4 platform. This is, I don't know what I have on here. Okay. And it should be right here. Right here. Trend focus, right? And that's it. So you just open up your chart. All right. There's your chart. Oh, it's down here somewhere. And just throw it on. Let's put US 30 on here. All right, you got your chart, and then you're just gonna drag your indicator, your custom indicator that you just put on there, and drag it into the pair. And there it is. All right. And that's it. That is how you go ahead and install a custom indicator that is not already on here, right? The ones that not the one that I just sent you, but anybody that ever seen your custom indicator, that is how you install it. All right, and that's it. That's in there. All right, guys, there was a very short video as to how to install custom indicators into your MT4 desktop. All right, talk to you later.